Hey, it's Dr. Jaye. Hi, everyone. So I wanted to come to you with another quick video with Own It. So I had some follow-up questions about how Own It works. Is it free? How do I research occupations? How do I find out my state and the salary of that occupation? So I wanted to address that specific question in this video because everybody wants to know, how much am I going to get compensated for this particular position, right? You want to know that before you actually accept the position if the salary wasn't located onside the job announcement. So this is Own It, and it's ownitonline.org. So in the occupation quick search, we are going to look for human resources specialist. I have researched this several times, so it's already there. So we're going to go ahead and go there. And as you all know, it's going to be the first one that's going to be the closest to it. So as I click on it, there's going to be a summary report for human resources specialist. And this is just a bunch of different positions that are also in relation to this occupation. If you want to check that out and get more information, you can check out my other video. So the tasks, the technology skills, knowledge, skills, and abilities. These are all information that coincide to this particular occupation, okay? The work activities, those are also in relation directly. So it really gives you more information about what you're going to be doing. The detailed work activities, it's kind of a continuum to that. And then we get down to the job zone, the education, credentials, interests, work styles. All right, so let me go back up for a second. I got a little ahead of myself. I want to really stress something here. So in these occupations, when you're researching them, it's important to remember that you're researching the education level, right? If you want to be a human resources specialist, as you see, based on the Department of Labor, which is where the statistical information is coming from, you do not need a master's degree. All 47%, that's what this is, 47% of the respondents to the survey about the human resources specialist position occupation have a bachelor's degree only. Just saying. With the credentials, say you want to research more information about the training, you can click on this and find your corresponding state. I'm not going to talk about that during this video because we want to talk about the compensation. So wages and employment trends. This is really important. To dive into this just a little bit more than I did in my previous video, the median wages for 2020, okay, is $30.52 hourly and $63,490 annually. So that's a median wage, okay? So we're going to pick a state. Let's choose Florida. Let's go Florida. So what we're going to find when we pick this state is we're going to get all the wage information for Florida that's been reported. All right, so you can drive down to the zip code, but let's just keep it general. So right now in Florida, the lowest 10% of workers in Florida earn $34,810 as HR specialist. All right, the median is $55,840 and the highest is $96,680. Now, why is that important? That's important because it shows you the actual numbers of real people that are getting real compensation for this occupation and work. All right. And then it goes a little bit further down. I love this because it breaks down the location. It shows you the annual low, right? It goes all the way up to the annual high. This is wonderful because you can go based on your city. Okay, so that's really great information. So let's say view wages near a zip code. So let's choose a zip code in Florida, 33647. All right, so in the Tampa, St. Petersburg, Clearwater area, this is really important. The median is 56, so it's roughly $1,000 higher than the general Florida area. Right? And 97 right here, $1,000 higher, probably because of locality. Because it could be expensive to live in Tampa, St. Pete, or Clearwater, sometimes you're compensated in reference to the locality as well. So it's always important to make sure that when you're talking about discussions about, final job offers, that you also ask, is there any additional compensation for this locality area? All right, so this information, I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please make sure to reach out to me. Remember, ONET is absolutely free. It is a free site to search and research. All right, so it's onetonline.org. That's ONETONLINE.org. Let me know if you have any more questions, comments, or concerns. I would love to address them. Have a wonderful day.